Why are there not more people talking about the world's most open nudist festivals? Imagine a place where the first thing you notice about someone isn't their clothes, but their smile and the story in their eyes. Welcome to the world of nudist festivals, a universe often misunderstood. These aren't just gatherings for people who dislike laundry. They're vibrant celebrations of humanity in its most natural state. Here, the social armor of brands and uniforms is left at the gate. What remains is our authentic selves. It's a radical idea in a world obsessed with appearances, but one that's gaining followers every year. These festivals are about connection, building community based on shared values, not fashion sense. When you strip away fabric, you strip away barriers. Suddenly, the CEO and the student, the artist and the accountant are equals. This shared vulnerability creates trust and openness. People talk, listen, and engage on a deeply human level. It's a powerful social experiment playing out in sunny fields and on sandy beaches worldwide. Nudist festivals challenge the norms we're taught from childhood, proposing that the human body is something to be celebrated, not hidden. Attendees find a profound sense of freedom, not just feeling the sun on their skin, but freeing their minds from judgment. So, let's take a journey into this fascinating world. We'll explore how different cultures celebrate the human form, from body painting to nature retreats. We'll uncover surprising facts and challenge common myths. This isn't about gawking or sensationalism, it's about understanding a movement that champions self-acceptance and radical freedom. It's about discovering what happens when we dare to shed our clothes and find a more honest version of ourselves. Prepare to see the world, and maybe yourself, in a whole new light. At many nudist festivals, art takes center stage. With the body as a canvas, creativity flourishes. Body painting transforms skin into living masterpieces to profound, exploring identity, nature, and spirituality. The art is temporary, washing away at day's end, a reminder to live in the moment. Beyond painting, festivals pulse with creativity. Spontaneous music jams, dance workshops, sculpture parks, and poetry readings. The entire festival becomes a living art installation. The lack of clothing unlocks a creative spirit often suppressed in daily life. Here, bodies are instruments of expression, used to create beauty, tell stories, and connect beyond words. Vulnerability and experimentation are encouraged. The nudity becomes secondary to the creative energy that fills the space. These gatherings are more than social. They're cultural events of depth and meaning. In this environment, everyone is free to let their inner artist shine. It's a celebration of the human spirit in its rawest, most creative form. Europe is the heartland of organized nudism, or naturism, rooted in health, nature, and non-sexual appreciation of the body. Germany and France lead with beaches, resorts, and events like the World Naked Bike Ride. In Europe, public nudity in designated areas is normal. A cherished pastime, not rebellion. In Japan, communal nudity is woven into tradition through onsen and sento, public baths for cleansing and contemplation. Here, nudity is non-sexual, a uniform for a ritual of health and community. Europe's approach is active and social, Japan's is introspective and ritualistic. Both normalize the naked body in non-sexual contexts. These traditions show there's no single way to practice nudism. Each culture adapts it to fit its values. For Europeans, it's about health and the outdoors. For the Japanese, purity and community. Understanding these variations reveals the rich tapestry of nudist culture. Shedding clothes means different things around the world. But everywhere, it's about celebrating the human body in unique ways. Nudism is not a monolith. It's a global movement shaped by history and tradition. In the US, nudism is a blend of libertarian ideals, counterculture, and wellness. The American Association for Nude Recreation oversees private clubs and resorts, reflecting the country's complex laws and puritanical roots. But festivals are where American nudism comes alive. Burning Man's clothing, optional culture, body painting events, and gatherings mixing music, yoga, and art. Legal challenges add tension, public nudity laws vary, and events like the World Naked Bike Ride face resistance. For many, public nudity is a political statement, a protest against body-shaming laws and a fight for personal freedom. The scene is a mix of quiet retreat and loud activism. You'll find retirees playing shuffleboard in Florida and young activists cycling through Portland. This duality captures America's ongoing struggle between freedom and conservatism. American nudism is a microcosm of the nation's cultural tensions, fought one naked body at a time. In South America, the nudist movement is young but passionate, deeply connected to nature. Brazil leads with recognized nudist beaches like Tambaba, blending nudism with vibrant beach culture. The philosophy is tied to Pachamama, Mother Earth, emphasizing eco-retreats and spiritual workshops in remote locations. Nudity dissolves the barrier between people and nature, reinforcing that humans are part of the earth. The movement is often countercultural, championed by artists and environmentalists seeking alternatives to conservative norms. Events like Mexico's Nudist Encounter and Zippolite have grown into international celebrations of diversity and freedom. South American nudism is less about rules, more about a feeling: freedom, belonging, and celebration of life. The desire to be free is a universal human impulse, beautifully expressed in these landscapes. The most surprising fact: how quickly nudity becomes normal. Initial nerves fade fast. When everyone's naked, no one stands out. The body becomes just a body, not a spectacle. Anxiety gives way to relief and acceptance. You stop worrying about looks and focus on genuine connection. The diversity of bodies is eye-opening. Nudist festivals shatter narrow beauty ideals. All ages, shapes, and abilities are represented, recalibrating our sense of beauty. The world's first nudist club began in industrial Germany in 1898. Rooted in a movement for health and a return to nature. Nudism's origins are philosophical, not hedonistic, a way to heal body and soul. Another shock: how safe and respectful these spaces are. Strict rules ensure a non-sexual, welcoming environment. There's zero tolerance for disrespectful behavior. Many women report feeling safer and less objectified at nudist festivals than in everyday life. The focus is on desexualizing the naked body and fostering respect. These truths challenge every stereotype about nudist spaces. Ultimately, nudist festivals are about more than taking off your clothes. They're about shedding layers of insecurity and judgment. Vulnerability leads to self-acceptance. Standing honestly before others, you learn to accept yourself. These gatherings challenge body insecurities and promote personal growth. In a space where every body is a good body, self-criticism fades. You appreciate your body for what it allows you to do, not just how it looks. Festivals foster cultural openness, breaking down social barriers and encouraging connection based on respect and kindness. The essence is freedom, from fashion, from unrealistic standards, from pretense. Whether through art, nature, or simple joy, these festivals offer a rare chance to discover that you are enough, just as you are. Sometimes, the most honest version of yourself is found by wearing nothing at all.